Welcome to this video, how to use coupons on Pandabuy. The process is relatively straightforward and simple. So by the way, you can also do this on the application. I'm just showing you on the desktop. Okay, so first of all, you need to create an account on Pandabuy. So either log into your existing account or click on to sign up. And then once you've entered in your information, you basically want to start browsing on Pandabuy. So for an example, if you want this windbreaker, on the actual checkout page, you'll be able to enter in a coupon or discount code. And how you can get these codes is if you go to Google, you can type Pandabuy coupon codes 2024. If you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see various coupon codes. So this one's 30% off Pandabuy coupon code, January 2024. So you can see the coupon code right here. You can copy the code. And now the code is copied, and once you are on the checkout and you are on the payment when you're about to pay, you'll be able to see here it says discount code, and then you want to put in the discount code in that box, and then you'll be able to purchase that product with the coupon code. So just go onto these websites and get all these coupon codes for free. You can get 30% off, 5% off, 10% off, and whatever it is. And there's many of these websites on Google that you can get coupon codes. Here's one for 50% off, and you can see here that there's a 50% off pillows, beddings, and duvets. Then you can click on show code, and then you can copy the code, and that's it. So if this video helped you out, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you in the next one.